Hi everyone. In the previous video we have seen delete table statement and in which situation we can delete the record and in which situation we cannot delete the record. If we have a primary key foreign key relationship, then of course we cannot delete the record from the parent table, but of course we can delete the record from the child table. We can do that. Now in this situation or in this video I'll try to give you an idea about truncate table statement. What is truncate table statement? Truncate table means you are deleting the record from the table, right? Then you must be thinking, then what is the difference between delete table and truncate table? So I'll give you a brief idea about it, that what is the difference between delete table and truncate table. Now for time being, let us go to the Oracle SQL developer, and this is the statement that you need to run if you want to truncate the data from the table. Truncate data means you are deleting the data only. So before truncating this table, let me take a backup of this table, right? Now what is the query or what is the code that you need to run to take a backup of the table? You can say create table, any table name as select star from EMP. I am just taking a backup of the table. I'll tell you why I am taking a backup before truncating the data. It says EMP underscore BKP underscore Pavan, that table has been created. Now I am just simply truncating the table. Let me truncate the table. It says table EMP truncated. Now let me do a query on the EMP table. Just a simple select query, select star from EMP, and run this code. You do not have any data, that means truncate table statement, it has deleted all your records. Now I want to get my record back. So for that I need to do rollback, right? Now let me try to run the rollback. It says rollback completed, even though the compiler will give you a positive message. But if you do a select query on the EMP table, your data is still not backed, right? That means if you truncate your table, you cannot roll back your data, right? And that's what I taught you in the previous video. Whenever you do any DML statement, whenever you run any data manipulation language statement, you can roll back your records. But whenever you do any DDL statement, you cannot roll back your record. Now truncate is a DDL statement, right? What is the meaning of truncate or truncating the table? Truncating the table means that you are deleting your record in one single go. In one single shot, you are simply wiping out your table. That is how the meaning of truncate table.